Our kidneys play a vital role in maintaining overall health by filtering out waste and toxins from our bloodstream, regulating fluid balance, and supporting essential bodily functions. As these bean-shaped organs tirelessly perform their cleansing duties, it's essential to provide them with the nourishment they need to function optimally. Incorporating kidney-friendly foods into your diet can promote renal health and aid in the natural cleansing process. In this video, we'll explore 10 nutrient-rich foods that can contribute to the revitalization of your kidneys. From vibrant berries to leafy greens and hydrating cucumbers, these foods are not only delicious but also carry a myriad of health benefits. 1. Garlic. Garlic is a member of the onion family and is renowned for its rich nutritional profile. It contains essential nutrients such as manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and selenium. Moreover, garlic is a potent source of allicin, a sulfur compound responsible for many of its health-promoting properties. The kidneys, vital organs responsible for filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood, are susceptible to oxidative stress. Garlic's high antioxidant content, including allicin, quercetin, and selenium, can help neutralize free radicals, offering protection against oxidative damage and supporting the kidneys in their crucial role. Hypertension is a significant risk factor for kidney disease. Garlic has been linked to blood pressure regulation, with studies suggesting that it may help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. By promoting cardiovascular health, garlic indirectly supports kidney function and reduces the risk of kidney-related complications associated with high blood pressure. To reap the potential kidney health benefits of garlic, consider incorporating it into your daily diet. Fresh garlic, when crushed or chopped, releases allicin, so consuming it raw provides maximum benefits. 2. Cucumber. Cucumbers are made up of approximately 95% water, making them an excellent hydrating food. Proper hydration is crucial for kidney health as it helps flush toxins and waste products out of the body, preventing the formation of kidney stones and promoting optimal kidney function. For individuals with kidney concerns, managing potassium intake is essential. Cucumbers are naturally low in potassium, making them a kidney-friendly choice. This is particularly beneficial for those who need to monitor their potassium levels due to kidney-related issues. Cucumbers contain various antioxidants, including beta-carotene, flavonoids, and tannins. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing inflammation and potentially protecting the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Whether sliced in salads, added to smoothies, or infused in water, cucumbers make it easy to incorporate their health benefits into a daily routine. 3. Onions. Onions are a rich source of antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, leading to cellular damage. By providing a spectrum of antioxidants, including quercetin and sulfur compounds, onions may help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Chronic inflammation can contribute to kidney damage over time. Onions contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help alleviate inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting individuals with kidney concerns. Quercetin, a flavonoid found in onions, has been studied for its anti-inflammatory effects and its potential to protect against various chronic diseases. While the kidneys are natural detoxifiers, certain compounds in onions may aid in the detoxification process. Sulfur-containing compounds, such as allyl sulfides, are present in onions and have been linked to enhanced detoxification pathways in the body. This may assist the kidneys in efficiently filtering and eliminating waste products. Onions contain allicin, a compound known for its blood pressure regulating properties. By promoting blood vessel dilation and reducing blood clotting, allicin may contribute to better blood flow, potentially easing the workload on the kidneys. Consider incorporating raw onions in salads, including them in soups and stews, or enjoying them caramelized as a flavorful topping for various dishes. 4. Cabbage. Cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting an array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This low-calorie vegetable is an excellent source of vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. It also provides essential minerals like manganese, potassium, and folate. The high fiber content in cabbage contributes to digestive health, another important aspect of overall well-being. Cabbage contains compounds like anthocyanins and glucosinolates, which have been associated with anti-inflammatory effects and may help protect cells from oxidative stress. The sulfur-containing compounds in cabbage, such as sulforaphane, may support the liver in its role of detoxifying harmful substances from the bloodstream, indirectly benefiting kidney function. For individuals with kidney concerns, monitoring potassium intake is crucial, as high levels of potassium can be challenging for compromised kidneys to filter. Cabbage is a kidney-friendly option as it is relatively low in potassium compared to some other vegetables. This makes it a suitable choice for those looking to maintain a diet that supports kidney function. 5. Watermelon. Watermelon, as the name suggests, is predominantly composed of water, making it an excellent hydrating fruit. Adequate hydration is crucial for maintaining kidney function, as water helps flush out toxins and waste products from the body. Watermelon is a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamins A and C. The presence of antioxidants in watermelon suggests that it may help combat oxidative stress and promote a healthier environment for kidney function. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that gets converted to arginine in the body. Arginine plays a role in the urea cycle, a process that helps remove ammonia, a waste product, from the body. By supporting the urea cycle, watermelon may indirectly contribute to kidney function and the elimination of waste products. 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, trout, and sardines are renowned for their abundant stores of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, play a pivotal role in reducing inflammation and promoting overall cardiovascular health. The kidneys, being vital organs in the regulation of blood pressure and filtration of toxins, can benefit from the anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to various health issues, including kidney disease. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that may help mitigate the inflammatory processes in the kidneys, potentially protecting them from damage over time. Fatty fish are excellent sources of high-quality protein. Unlike some other protein sources that may burden the kidneys with excessive waste products, fish protein is considered kidney-friendly. This makes fatty fish a valuable addition to the diet, providing essential amino acids without overloading the kidneys. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to reap the renal benefits. 7. Blueberries. Blueberries are renowned for their rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These tiny, indigo-hued berries are packed with vitamin C, manganese, and vitamin K, along with a range of phytonutrients, such as anthocyanins, quercetin, and resveratrol. The high concentration of antioxidants in blueberries makes them exceptional combatants against oxidative stress, a condition linked to various health issues, including kidney damage. The anthocyanins in blueberries have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory and free radical scavenging properties, helping protect the delicate tissues of the kidneys from cellular damage. Studies suggest that the anthocyanins found in blueberries could contribute to blood pressure control by promoting the dilation of blood vessels, ultimately reducing the strain on the cardiovascular system and benefiting the kidneys. The compounds present in blueberries, particularly anthocyanins and quercetin, have demonstrated the ability to reduce inflammation in the body. By mitigating inflammatory processes, blueberries may help protect the kidneys from damage and support overall renal health. 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is extracted from the fruit of the olive tree and has been a staple in Mediterranean cuisine for centuries. The oil is renowned for its rich monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which is a key component contributing to its health-promoting properties. Olive oil boasts a robust profile of antioxidants, including polyphenols, vitamin E, and other phytonutrients. These antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. The oxidative stress caused by free radicals can contribute to kidney damage over time, and by combating this stress, olive oil may help protect the kidneys from oxidative harm. Maintaining a healthy lipid profile is vital for overall cardiovascular health, which, in turn, influences kidney function. Olive oil has been shown to positively impact lipid levels by increasing high-density lipoprotein, HDL or good cholesterol, while reducing levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL or bad cholesterol. This balance may contribute to a healthier vascular system and, consequently, improved kidney function. 9. Apples. Apples are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber known as pectin. Fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health and regular bowel movements. A healthy digestive system indirectly supports kidney function by preventing the buildup of waste products and toxins that the kidneys must filter. Apples have high water content, contributing to hydration, a fundamental aspect of kidney health. Staying well hydrated supports the kidneys in effectively flushing out waste and toxins from the body. The natural hydration provided by apples complements the daily water intake necessary for optimal kidney function. The natural sugars in apples, primarily fructose, are accompanied by fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Fluctuations in blood sugar can have negative effects on kidney health, and the stable release of sugars from apples can aid in preventing spikes that may impact renal function. Whether sliced and added to salads, blended into smoothies, or baked into a warm, comforting dessert, the options are plentiful. This versatility makes it easy for individuals to include apples in a kidney-friendly diet. 10. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, including spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are low in potassium, a crucial consideration for individuals with kidney concerns. While potassium is essential for various bodily functions, excessive levels can pose challenges for those with compromised kidney function. Leafy greens are a nutrient-dense source of essential vitamins and minerals. They provide a wealth of vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting, and folic acid, which is important for DNA synthesis and repair. Additionally, the presence of vitamin B6 in leafy greens supports the prevention of kidney stones and helps regulate homocysteine levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues. Adequate fiber intake is essential for maintaining digestive health, and leafy greens contribute significantly to meeting this dietary requirement. Fiber aids in preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements, reducing the burden on the kidneys by efficiently eliminating waste and toxins from the body. From salads to smoothies, soups, and stir-fries, these greens can be incorporated into various dishes, making it easy for individuals to enjoy their kidney-boosting benefits regularly.